Some of the companies that we've covered have 2x, and there's still more to come. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hi guys. In today's video, I just wanted to make a quick video on some of the stocks that we've covered and what they've done, where they're at, and where they're going to. Remember guys, I've intentionally been saying to follow us on Twitter because we've constantly been putting the latest information. Remember that a lot of times it takes a little bit to make these videos, so we got to go through, edit them and stuff like that. By the time it comes out, it's a little bit late already, okay? So I want you guys to follow us on @InvestingOG on Twitter. That way you guys get the latest information, any updates, any upgrades, any downgrades on stocks. When we're buying stocks, when we're buying calls, we're calling it out on Twitter, and we try to keep you as informed as possible, okay? So follow us there and you get the latest information. With that guys, I just wanted to make this video on a recap of what we've done so far with some of the stocks and where we got into them and where they're at now. And I think there's a lot more opportunity on some of these, okay? So I'm going to touch on them real briefly. I'm not going to make this video too long, but I am going to touch on some of these. Okay, number one, BNGO. That's Bionanogenomics, okay? We first started speaking on this channel about Bionanogenomics at $7, currently trading at 13 something, almost $14. Guys, BNGO, I feel like it has a lot more room to grow, a lot more room to go up, okay? And now any of these calls that I'm saying, I'm telling you what they're at now. I'm not telling you to get in right now because like I said, and I've told you before, please wait for a dip and then you decide where it's the appropriate time to get in. But if I would give you a recommendation, I would tell you to get into BNGO anywhere between $10 to $12, anywhere there. Establish a position and then go on from there, okay? I think it's going to reach 20 bucks soon. I think they have great technology, and I think they're going to be the picks and shovels of that sector. Number two, Fubo. First started talking about Fubo at $26, guys. I still think the price that it's at right now is very cheap. I still think that. I think it's a huge opportunity. Fubo tackles two sectors. It tackles the streaming sector and it tackles the online gambling. I've done videos before. Please go back and watch that video. The last video that I did on Fubo, outstanding. I think currently trading at about 50 bucks. It has more room to go. Okay, I think easily this year it'll hit anywhere between 75 and 100. Okay, it can go higher. It has, you know, it's been shorted heavily. It has huge institutions buying in right now. They tell you that they don't like the stock, but in the back they're buying the stock. So that tells you something. Okay. Number three, Skillz. We started talking about Skillz at $19, went all the way up to 46, I think, with that NFL merger thing. Came back down to about 37. I think it's currently trading at 37. So it's a good opportunity right now to get into this stock, okay? Right now, 37, anywhere between 35, 38, I think it's a good opportunity because I think it's going to 60. Fourth, Weedmaps, SSPK, okay? First started talking about this stock, I believe it was like around 14. You can go back to the old videos, but believe about 14. It ran all the way up to like 27, 28 bucks. Currently trading at about 26. Guys, SSPK, Weedmaps. When it turns into Weedmaps, this is going to 50, guys. This is going to 50, okay? I want you guys to remember, it's in a hot sector. It's in the marijuana MJ sector. I really want you to consider this play, okay? Wait for it to drop back down a little bit. It is a little bit overbought right now. Let it go back a little bit. I would start going in there anywhere between $20 and $22. Buy some, hold, and see where it goes from there. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my information on where I see these stocks going to and where I see a good opportunity to get in. Fifth one, Senseonics. Sense, ticker symbol SENS. I first started talking about this stock at $2, or maybe a little bit below $2. It's gone up to about 4 something, okay? I think it's going higher. February 25th. Keep that date in mind because they're going to do a conference, okay? And I think after they do that conference, people are going to find out more about this company. It's going to shoot up, okay? If you have an opportunity, buy now. I can't give you a price. It's at $4, guys. I mean, $3.50 to $4. Great opportunity to buy in. CCIV, we first started talking about CCIV Lucid Motors at 19. Currently trading at over $40. Guys, it's going higher. You already know the hype. You already know if this merges, it's going to go much higher. Wait for it to cool off. Once again, it's overbought right now. It might go higher. I can't see. Next, Ipoe, Sofi. I think this company here is going to revolutionize the banking industry. Ipoe, that's Chamath's SPAC. First started talking about this play at 16, currently trading at about $24. Good place to get in is anywhere between 21 and 22 or 21 and 23. You decide what's best for you. Last one, actually two more. DraftKings. First started talking about DraftKings at around $42 or $44. Currently trading at over $60. Has much more room to go, guys. Much more. I would get into this anywhere between 58 and 60. Much more room to go. It's going higher by the end of the year. One of the hot sectors, gambling sectors. This is it. Last one I want to touch on, NIO. I remember NIO because I first started talking about NIO at only 40 bucks, but I first bought NIO at 16. I sold out of that position because I thought I had taken a profit. I seen it go up all the way to 40. Now it's currently trading at over 60. NIO, anything I'm buying on NIO right now, I'm holding for the long term. No longer selling NIO. I don't care if it dips. If it dips, I buy more. Okay? I think it's going to 100 this year. NIO. With that, guys, I just want to show you some of the plays that we've gotten into within the last 6 months, last year. I really want you to consider these plays, but not only these plays. I put out new plays. I don't try to go too crazy. I don't, I just think I like to choose stuff that makes sense. I like to choose stuff that has a future, guys. Future. With that, guys, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Please remember to hit the notification bell and choose all videos, because that way, every time we put out a video, you get a notification. If you just hit the bell, it's not going to tell you every single time we put a video, okay? So with that, guys, please follow us on Twitter. I keep repeating it, at InvestingOG, okay? With that, guys, have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.